Hi, to take macro photos on your Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, we got several ways. But firstly, we need to open our camera app, and now make sure that you are shooting on your main camera and that you are in a photo mode. From this photo mode, you need to swipe left on that panel to go in More tab, and here simply select this feature macro. So tap it, and now you need to hold your camera 3 to 5 centimeters away from this subject to take a perfect photo. And make sure that the subject is in a focus. You can manually set focus if you tap on the screen like that, and here you can adjust brightness as well by dragging the slider. And whenever you are ready to take a photo, you just need to press the camera shutter button right here. Now let's take a look at another way. For that, we need to stay in a photo mode, but now enable zoom. So for example, we can use 5x zoom, and for that we need to hold that zoom panel and simply swipe left to find 4 or 5x zoom. And now, just as we did before, point the camera at the object, something like that. And whenever you are ready, just press camera shutter button to take a photo. And now the last way is we can enable 15 megapixel mode. For that, take a look at this top panel. Here you should see 12M. You will need to tap it to switch to 50 megapixel. And now just take your object, point the camera at it, and with the help of this way, the picture won't be blurred, so everything will be really detailed and you can take macro photo. So if I switch to 12, you can see that photo is really blurred and not so detailed like it was with 50 megapixel camera. So let's check the results. This one is taken with 50 megapixel camera, so pretty good. This one was taken with 5x zoom. I personally don't like this way. And that one was with macro mode enabled. I also took some photos before to show you as an example. So that one was taken with macro mode, and I really like this way. So this is my personal favorite. I think with the macro you get the best detailed photos ever. And that one was with zoom, so yeah, and that one was with 50 megapixel camera. So yeah, we got 3 ways how we can take macro photos. Just choose your favorite and enjoy taking macro photos. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.